Hello friends, welcome to Hitech Talk. Today I will show you how to add text on your TikTok videos. Like it's very simple. So I will go to my TikTok account. So that's my TikTok account @point romance. I will go ahead. Either you can upload a video and add text to it, or you can record a video and add text to it. So I will upload a video and show you how to add text. I will click on this plus symbol in the middle and click on upload, and I will select one of my videos over here. So I will select this and I will click on next, and I will click on next again in this video. Let it load. Okay, so over here you see this icon as capital A and small a, which says as text. So click on that. It gives you option to type in over here. So I will type homemade cake. So you see I have written homemade cake. I will select a background by clicking on the left hand side. There is a symbol. It gives the background to this text, and I can, so before doing this, I can just remove this and I can select the color of my text. Say for example right now, let it be white. I will select the background of the text and I can select a color of it like this color. So this looks great, and you can also select the font over here like classic or typewriter or handwriting, and there are many more fonts, whichever you want. Right now I will keep it as classic. And also you can change the alignment of what you have written by clicking on this icon. It goes to left, right, center. So I will keep it in center. You can also click on this particular text and you can place it on the top or below, whichever place you like. I will keep it over here, and I will click on this particular text and it gives me an option to edit. So I can edit the color and background and font. If you see this, I have again gone to this place, and if I again click on this, I can also set duration for my text. Like I will go to set duration, and like for how many seconds I want this particular text to show up, I can select over here. Like either I can keep it from the beginning or I can keep it after few seconds, and it can last up to 10 to 20 seconds. So I can check this below, and this goes from 5 seconds to 22 seconds on this video. And one more thing, I can again add another text to this. Like I can add multiple text on my TikTok videos. Like I can see that the cake is looking tasty, so let me type tasty, and I can give it a color. See, okay, so this is cool. I gave it this font and it will be in the middle. I can still place it anywhere I want. Like I will place it in the middle, and I can again click on it and set duration for this. Like if I want it to be there from starting until middle, I have selected and I will click on the checkbox below. So you see this from the starting, this video is playing, it shows tasty, and now it shows homemade cake tasty. So this is how you can write text on your TikTok videos and also set timers for this particular text, and you can post it on your TikTok. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.